Hello everybody. I just want to make a very short video. Moving down the sidewalk over here. As you guys can see, this is a parking lot, right? Then a few weeks ago, one of the trees over here fell down last Sunday. That big tree right there fell, cut in half. The other half is gone, see, right there. And the tree looked very nice. So this tree fell off a car. Thanks God, nothing happened. The driver, the family was there, no problem. And we have a beautiful case over here. And I show you right now. See right there? That's the lady. She gonna have 4 babies. Just before the tree fell, she was there before the tree. And thanks God, nothing happened to her. That beautiful dog right there. Yep. All right. See you around.